öğrendin Türkçeyi? Türkçeyi nereden öğrendin?
Çok güzel.
Ha. Ben
Abi.
de Turkish.
Turkish, ha?
Yo, where are you from?
Turkish.
Turkey.
Where did you learn Turkish? Here.
Akhuy.
Brother. Brother.
ايش؟
Your brother, you live in the Turkish.
Ha, okay.
Yes. Yes, this is the plan.